Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to dive into ChatGPT tips and tricks. I'm going to show you how you can get the best responses out of your ChatGPT model, specifically designed for you. So let's do it. I think this is something that we all want. And, it's a process of learning within your own boundaries, whether you're running a company, running a department in a company, or you're simply using ChatGPT to get through your daily tasks, and it might just be small tasks, but it's definitely something that you need to understand, that it should be a learning journey and not just something that you apply and that's it. So let's get some better responses from ChatGPT. We're going to transform your conversations, one conversation at a time. So first of all, why your ChatGPT prompts matter more than you think. So first of all, ChatGPT's answers are only as good as the prompts that you give it. So vague or generic prompts yield robotic, shallow responses. Also, research shows that well-crafted prompts can actually improve output quality by 50% or even more. Also, AI hallucinations, we've all seen them, I'm sure. And this is an overly formal tone, and it lacks context, and it all stems from unclear or incomplete instructions. The secret? Clear roles, specific instructions, examples, tone guidance, and this can all transform ChatGPT into a human-like collaborator. Here are 5 proven tips to get better ChatGPT responses today. Write it down so you can use it. First of all, assign a role. Tell ChatGPT who it should be. Tell it to act as a friendly customer support agent, a financial advisor, a marketing expert. Tell it what it needs to be so that it can get its mindset into what you need from it. Then break down your request step by step and include examples or formats that you would like your answers or your responses to be in. The next thing is you need to set the tone and the style. So ask for contractions, casual language, or personality to avoid robotic phrasing. And there's a list of words that ChatGPT loves to use. And it's very easily detectable when you're reading something. Then provide context. So include relevant information, URLs, so that ChatGPT doesn't guess or hallucinate or give you incorrect information. And then let ChatGPT ask clarifying questions to refine answers and avoid misunderstandings. So this is something that I like to do if I'm dealing with complex tasks. What I do is I create my prompt, I apply these 4 steps, and then the 5th step, right at the end of my prompt, I say, ask me 3 to 5 questions to clarify what it is that I want. And so I get a response, 3 to 5 questions, and then I answer those questions. These are 3 to 5 questions that your model, ChatGPT, might actually be unsure of, and you haven't given enough clarity on the matter. So this provides the opportunity for you to create more clarity, and then you should be getting better responses. But as I said, it's a learning journey. So start today and look back in 6 months from now, in 3 months from now, in a month from now, and see how much you've actually improved. I hope this was helpful.